The Master in Management Real Estate Specialization at ESCP is the ideal choice for students looking to build a career in real estate. Hello, I am Professor Alberto Martinez, Academic Director of Madrid Campus. The Real Estate Specialization is anchored at ESCP Madrid campuses, the hub of real estate in ESCP, with both the MIM Specialization, the MSc, which has recently received the accreditation from the Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors, RICS, and the digital certificates offered in this area. This MIM option provides a comprehensive curriculum that blends real estate finance, investment strategies, smart cities, PropTech, and real estate development, equipping students with both applied foundations and practical case studies. These subjects are presented both by Madrid professors as well as top practitioners from the real estate world. Moreover, the ESCP Real Estate Association, REAS, enriches the student experience by hosting exclusive networking events, allowing students to engage with industry leaders, attend motivational talks, and connect with other ESCP real estate master students. By choosing this specialization, MIM students gain a competitive edge in one of the world's most dynamic industries, while benefiting from Madrid's vibrant real estate ecosystem. We look forward to welcoming you in Madrid campus, and in the meantime, do not hesitate to contact us.